Hello there! This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American vowel sound A, as in the word cat. You can also hear the sounds in words like at, half, man, or laugh. We'll be using a special phonetic symbol, A, for this sound. The A is specific to English, as the majority of other languages don't have this sound. That's the reason why many people distort the S or replace it with other vowels. Let's learn how to pronounce these sounds the right American way. Okay, to pronounce the S sound, you should focus on the correct position of your tongue and jaw. Open your mouth as wide as possible. Slightly spread your lips and tense them. Tense your tongue, flatten it, and push it forward. Your tongue should be positioned very low in your mouth. The tip of your tongue should be touching the back of your bottom front teeth. Remember, the A sound is a very open vowel sound, so your jaw should be very low and your tongue should be very flat. Now, let's try seeing it. A, A, A. Now, let's practice these sounds in some words. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation, like this. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word if you want to. Let's begin. Act, add, Alps, am, an. And, angle, ankle, ant, apple, ass, ash, asked, at, babble, back, backed, backpack, backs, bad, badge, bag, band, bang, bank, bass, bat, batch. You're done. Congratulations! By the way, the A is almost always written as the letter A, and more on the spelling. The letter A stands for the A sounds, as in the word cat. In 97% of cases, the remaining 3% are split between the combination of letters AL, as in the word half, and AU, as in the word laugh. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.